Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese and GBP JPY and many more. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound USD for 17th March 2021. So this analysis is for 17th March only. I'll be coming back tomorrow again with the analysis for 18th March. So we can see that right now market is trading at 1.3819. Okay. And you can see I have drawn a line here, green color line. Okay. So what should be a strategy then? Okay, let me take out the pencil. Okay, let me use a different color this time. I'll be using blue. Okay. So see, market has almost reached this support. Okay, support at 1.3798. This support level. Market has almost reached the support level. When market will be hitting this support level, just observe the price. Okay, how the price does. If you see that market is getting some price rejection from below, okay, market is not ready to go down further. Okay, if you see that bulls are there who are not allowing the market to go down. Okay, and if you see a good green candle or a bullish candle like this, then you can buy above this line. Okay, you can buy above this line and you can be on the trade as long as the market is going towards the 50 moving average. Okay, and just your target will be 50 moving average. If you see that market is struggling near the 50 moving average, then just come out of the trade. Okay. So your 50 moving average is the first resistance. So wait for the market to hit this level. Okay, hit this level and then bounce back, and then you can go for a buy. So this is your strategy number one. And on the other hand, okay, on the other hand, if market crosses this level, okay, if market crosses this level, then unlike other times, you do not need to short the market right away seeing the volume, because see, the pressure is not that high. Okay, in case there is a sudden heavy pressure, then you're shorting the market, that's a different story. But otherwise, if you see that market has crossed the support level, okay, then wait for a pullback. Okay, or at least wait, sorry about the drawing, or at least wait for the market. Okay, at least wait for the market or stochastic RSI. Okay, so when market will be below this line, okay, wait for the stochastic RSI to be in the overbought zone. Okay, when stochastic RSI will be in overbought zone and it will be ready to go down again, okay, it will be ready to go down again, then you can short the market. Okay, that will be a safe position to short the market. So your first strategy is, if market bounces from here, you can buy. Second strategy is, if market crosses this line, unlike other currency pairs, you do not need to short the market. Okay, because as of now the pressure is not that eminent, and you can see that market may give you some pullback and all. Okay, so wait for the stochastic RSI. Though market is trading below this line, wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone. When it will be going towards the downside from overbought zone, then you go ahead and short the market. Okay, so these are the two simple strategies that you can follow for GBP USD for 17th March. And on the other hand, if surprisingly, uh, if it goes up and hit this level, okay, this level, and just observe how the price is doing. If you see that price is struggling at 1.4003 level, okay, or at this level, these are also resistances for the market. Okay, this resistance is a small resistance. In case market bounces from here, and then you just observe how the price is doing at 1.3949 level. Okay, though it is not a strong one, but still I'm mentioning. Just see how the price is doing, because whenever market is in the seller's territory, then these small resistances also work. Okay. So market may reverse from here also. So if you see the market is reversing from this small resistance, you can short the market here also. Uh, but this is quite a good one. This resistance is quite a good one. Okay. So today I'm not thinking the market will be going to this point. Okay. In case market goes up, mm, with huge pressure, then you just need to observe how the price is doing. If it reverses from here, then you can short the market. And if it breaks this level, okay, then wait for at least 3 to 4 hours and just wait for the resistance to become the support. Okay, then only you should go ahead and buy above this line. Otherwise, otherwise, market is still towards the downside. Let the market bounce from here. Okay, if it is bouncing back, then you can buy here. If it crosses, then you can sell, but wait for the market or stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone and then you short the market. That will be a safer position. Yeah. So these are the strategies. Okay, you can follow for GBP USD, British Pound USD for 17th March. And if you found it difficult to understand, then please do watch the video again. Okay. And thank you so much, and hopefully you've understood. And if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.